Hi guys, I'm gonna do something a bit different. I've been getting a lot of questions about my household decor products, so I'm gonna do some series of some of the items that I have in my house, like my chest of jar, my side table, my picture frames, and my pictures. Starting off strong, we're going to do the Chester jar. Is a 6-drawer Chester jar. So I've been getting a lot of questions about this, so I'm gonna show you guys the depth, the width, and just basically how it looks and feels, so you can have an idea and you can go and purchase it as well. The brand of this 6-drawer is the Kullen at IKEA. So it's made of particle board, acrylic paint, and fiber board. It can easily be marked because it's like a matted paint like. It has 2 drawers looking like this at IKEA. So at the top of the drawer, one of it is glass, but this one is just the plain matted one that I purchased. So I'm now going to open each drawer to let you see how far it gets out to, so you have an idea of what you're working with. There you go. So now we're going to look at the depth of the drawers. So I have pulled out all of the drawers out, you can see, right? So these 2 cannot come out any further purely because the bed is there. So I'm going to take the phone a bit closer. You can see that where it has extended there, that's how far it comes out, right? The dimension for the 6-drawer is, the width is 160 centimeters, the depth is 48 centimeters, the height is 78 centimeters, the width of the drawer inside is 72 centimeters, the depth of the drawer inside is 43 centimeters, the storage capacity is 27 liters, and the drawer pull out is 27 centimeters. This is the depth of the drawer. So this is my hand and it's going down. It's not too bad. It works for me. I'm not sure what your preference would be, but this is what I'm working with. So I'm gonna pack in the clothes. We'll pack in some clothes and you will see how much it can hold. Clothes have been packed back neatly. Yes, it's a bit snug because some of the material of the clothes inside of it, but it works for me. It's doable. As long as you don't overcrowd it or anything, it works fine. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this household design decor product that I've bring to you. So I've shown you my 6-drawer dresser that I got from IKEA. I've given you the dimension, I've given you the depth of the drawer. I have take the clothes out and put the clothes back in, so you get to see an idea, or have an idea of how much clothes you can put inside the drawer. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Until next time, for part 2 household design decor product. Bye.